You get a talent exodus that's quietly happening right under our noses. Companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft are laying off significant chunks of their AI teams because they can't afford to keep them on board. Take Apple, for example. After launching their new AI model, Apple Intelligence, just a few months ago, they've already cut around 10% of the team that built it. That's a significant chunk of talent walking out the door. The same story is playing out at other tech giants. Google has trimmed roughly 15% of its AI workforce over the past year, while Microsoft has let go of nearly 20% of their AI researchers and engineers. So why is this happening? The truth is, developing AI models like Apple Intelligence isn't cheap. In fact, training just one advanced language model can cost upwards of $10 million. And with the current arms race to build bigger, better AI models, those costs are only going up. But here's the thing. While these companies are spending record amounts on AI development, they're also facing mounting budget pressures. The global economy is still recovering from the pandemic, and many businesses are feeling the squeeze. So what do you get when you combine sky-high AI development costs with tightening budgets? You get a talent exodus that's quietly happening right under our noses. Does it work? Yes, consistently. Layoffs, but not the kind you typically see publicized. These aren't mass layoffs driven by economic downturns or market shifts. They're strategic cuts designed to trim fat from expensive AI projects. And that brings us to the third piece of this puzzle. The talent exodus accelerates as these companies struggle with the costs of AI development. They're increasingly turning to layoffs as a quick fix. But here's where it gets tricky. When you lay off skilled AI talent, that expertise doesn't just disappear. In many cases, those researchers and engineers are getting scooped up by smaller startups or even foreign tech giants, accelerating what some are calling an AI brain drain. The very talent that these companies invested so heavily in is now walking out the door and potentially into the arms of their competitors. This isn't just a short-term problem. As this AI talent exodus accelerates, it could have long-lasting impacts on these companies' ability to innovate in the AI space. And that's not even mentioning the potential national security implications if key AI expertise ends up abroad. So what can be done about it? That's the big question hanging over the industry right now. Here's the thing, I'm from Smart Tech Guide, and I'll see you in the next video.